I don't care who you are, your BMW needs these.
So I've driven this car thousands of miles and I've realized one thing, and that is sound is important. Having your radio sound like shit is not fun. So what am I doing? I'm installing the Bimmertech Alpha One speakers. They claim they're easy to install and plug and play. We're gonna see just how easy. I'm gonna see just how fast I can slap them in my car. I'm feeling a little nervous. 2 door panels, you know all the clips are breaking. If you have a BMW, every clip's breaking. I can't even find all 12 speakers, 14 speakers. Yo, no one talk to me. Ready, set, go. I have no idea what to do. Hold on, I need my things. No. Oh no, there's things missing. We'll just go to the other toolbox. Can I start the timer again? I'm very overwhelmed. I don't even want to look how deep we are already. This is not so fun anymore. So, comes with 2 subs that go under the driver's seat. If you have an aftermarket, my seat's loose. If you have aftermarket seats like me, which you probably don't, pretty easy. If you have OEM seats, there's like a few wires underneath. If you have stock seats, you gotta lift them out, probably really heavy, 50 pounds each. I'm gonna just move them back. We have this cracked speaker access panel that's fucking disgusting. They gave me a toolkit, which is pretty cool, I guess, to make my life easier. I need all these fancy zoom tools to do it faster though. There's full instructions they give you, and there's like customer support and like warranty for like 2 years, but I hope I don't fuck that up by thinking I'm a smart guy. That's definitely how I'm doing what I'm doing. So if I was smart, I really would have checked those supplied instructions, because I'm already taking things apart that you're not supposed to touch. Don't not follow the instructions, I just wasted time on my world's fastest speaker install. Also be gentle, dude. I'm gonna be an asshole, watch, and damage these things. So this is what you have to unplug if you have factory seatbelts. Do 12 speakers in 14 minutes. I need to do like 1 per every like maybe 3 minutes or so. Are we gonna cheat and make believe I'm so fast? Wait, did you record that? But I suck. 1 sub down, on the 2nd sub right now. And now I'm faster. You should also probably always vacuum. That way there's dust and stuff, you don't get rattles. Probably in the instructions I didn't read. We're gonna just plug it in, you know? Should I definitely vacuum that? I think I'm making it worse. Thought I could harder. No, don't fucking do something. That's good enough. Don't look at it. I'm so worried about damaging the speaker though, for real. Also, people are gonna watch the video and be like, this guy did it in 20 minutes. And he's gonna go to a shop, and the shop is gonna be like, what the fuck is that guy doing? That's not how you do this. Oh, no, I'm fucking sweating. Go home, my wife's like, Jordan, why are you sweating? What did you do today? Some emails. See, I rushed. Now I gotta fix this fucking thread. Oh boy, is that buttery. I'm so rough with these seats. Thank God they're only like $4,000. I fucked the seat up. Try to get the door panel off, get this one piece off. But then, if it's anything like an E36, this is not. You should just be all, should I look at the instructions? Should I look at the instructions? Put a yes or no above my head. Should I look at the instructions? No, let's just keep pulling. Don't worry about that. Pull harder. Once again, it just pulls right off. Don't fuck up and like put your door panel back on without connecting that cable. The door won't open. I'm a little scared. Well, there's little plastic tabs to pull this guy out. I have no idea where anything plugs into, so. Sheesh, look how nice that looks. That motherfucker looks expensive. Don't look at this. This is because my door handles are old and disgusting. I put these Amazon junks to cover it. Dude, they're like 20 bucks. Buy that shit if your car's disgusting. Don't use a screwdriver to do this. Use something nice and plastic and soft. So all the door panels are like 2 Torx screws to hold them on. Past that, just some clips. So one time I was 16 years old and my fucking gas tank fell out of my car. What's a better story? I once got stuck on the George Washington Bridge because my car was overheating. Moral of the story, worry about yourself. This is literally like how you break things. Like, oh, how do you break things working on a car? Rush. I should have looked at it first without jumping the gun. Now I don't know which one plugs into where. Be careful when you're doing this, follow the instructions. Take 1 wire out at a time and change it to new shit. Don't be like me. Dude, yo, make sure and plug your battery before you start this probably. Of course I did that. Of course not, you know. Take the double-sided tape, put this somewhere secure and safe. I'll do that better in a second, but this little speaker is the tweeter. It just sort of pops in. Also, you see the door panel clips? I feel like I'm in a fucking E36. No offense to my E36 gang out there. Dude, I never know where any of the wires go. Point you plug in the wires wherever you feel like it. So the trick to any of these door panels, everyone out there says E36 door panels suck. They fall off all the time. They're missing the screws. These 2 screws will hold it on. The rest just hold the edges tight. Most E36 door panels out there, the fucking previous owners, don't realize how important the screws are and they never make it back in. You physically can't rip. Oh no, where's the wire? I dropped the wire in the door. Back, baby, we're back. How am I doing on time? Not that good? Yo, you really should plug this shit back in and like key on and make sure all the shit works. I mean, you can plug it all in before putting the door panel on. I just trust myself, dude. You see how like nice I am at working on cars? So we're gonna do the rear deck speakers. This is like probably the easiest one. Just pry it off, not with a flat hood. There's literally like a few screws over here that hold these bad boys in. I'm fucking blind right now doing this. That goes like that, goes like this. Pointing towards the cabin. This little speaker. And they look so baller. So their instructions give you all the freaking like torque specs and everything. Don't use a gun like me. Use a torque wrench. Be better than me.
I wanna get up tonight.
Time check. Fucking not good. Really not good. Not a 30-minute job. We're gonna keep moving though. This is like the point where you install speakers and it's the last step and then you crack your windshield or something. But you see how close this is? Finger work though. This is definitely a little interesting. The rear speakers have a channel that the wires go under. This one does not. So this one's actually a little bit easier to install. I get to do this outside the car. This is the hardest speaker. Hot as fuck. Speakers are done. Now, let's see if they actually sound better. I did my homework. They seem like they're good. Every review seems they're great. You guys can't really hear shit through this camera, to be really honest. They suck, I'll let you know. I have an aftermarket CarPlay head unit in here. It's not the one these guys sell. Whenever I'm on CarPlay, the music's a little shitty. If someone knows how to fix that, let me know. I've tried. It's not just this car, it's in all my cars on CarPlay. No one can hear me. Everything's shitty, so we're on normal radio. Normal Bluetooth. I went to adjust my mirror, and it literally just fell off.
Pussies.
It's hot as fuck in this bitch. So, first impression. Is this a joke? I literally put in the clutch and my music stopped. It gets like uncomfortably loud, which is pretty good, I guess, if you're trying to make a bunch of noise. I think it gets louder than before, so that's like, I guess, a plus if you're having problems how loud it gets.
It's not opinion based.
My pants move more from the sub. Like, I feel the sub hitting. Now, it gets stupid loud, but it's still clear. Like, at full volume.
Someone to get money when I take it from me.
Pretty good. Before I turn the bass up on my system, I try to turn the treble up to make it clear, which I don't think that's how it works. And now, like on the normal settings, it like hits hard and still sounds clear. That's possible.
Take me out the mud, take me out the mess.